Hey guys, Cody with CJC Off-Road, and today another new product video for you guys. This is going to be the 2019 and up Ram 2500 and 3500 Intercooler Guard. So often we've looked at the front of these trucks and wondered why they have the god-awful giant plastic valence right on the front of them. While it does kind of tie everything back together, it does look terrible when we're filming our videos. We oftentimes crush them. Even some of you guys, when testing out your suspension, have sent photos in where you've even ripped the factory valence off. For Ford owners, they can buy the Tremor valence, the two-wheel drive trucks, but on these trucks, there's not really a high clearance option. Even the Power Wagon does come with the full length, full width plastic valence. So we figured, why not try something out? And here we go. I think this one turned out quite nicely. So for those of you who are curious, this is a fully made in the USA skid plate. The aluminum is 1/8 inch. The brackets, frame brackets, are 3/16 inch. You're just going to quickly remove your factory bracket, throw up the new brackets. The brackets mount to the factory front bumper holes, as well as mounts to the factory plow mounts with two bolts that we provide. So for those of you who do snow plow, you might be out of luck on this one. I am sorry, but it was the quickest factory point that we could pick up and have the skid plate mount to, protect the intercooler, still look good, and all that good stuff. So for those of you caught on, the thickness of the skid plate is really not strong enough to put the full weight of your Cummins truck on it. So please don't look at this as a skid plate. However, this would be an excellent debris shield. This will keep a tire chunk that's flying off the car in front of you from killing your intercooler, while still giving you massive amounts of more ground clearance, as well as just totally updating, changing the look on the front end of these trucks. So as you can see on our shop truck, these are offered in a full blackout option that comes with a satin black aluminum guard, stainless steel hardware that's been black coated, as well as satin black steel brackets, as well as another option for those of you who either want the raw look or want to polish it yourself or even get your own custom coating done. Comes with a raw guard, the satin black brackets, as well as stainless steel hardware. So there's two options there, slight price difference for the coatings, things like that. Really excited to offer this to you guys. So many of you have asked in a ton of our videos, a ton of our social media posts, where do you get that? We apologize for the delay. Getting things done at this time of year in 2020 has been interesting, so we appreciate you guys' patience. These are up on the website. When it says in stock, they are going to be in stock. When it says out of stock, we're just going to be waiting on the next batch. Free shipping. This is a super cool, super sleek part. Those of you who are not mechanically inclined, you can still install this in your driveway. We'll have the instructions on the product pages as well down below. So if you are a little nervous, check out those instructions. I don't think it's something too hard for most people. Even get your buddy over, bring his tools over. It should be pretty quick. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you're interested in purchasing these guards, the links are going to be down below. Otherwise, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we're going to see you guys on the next one.